In the next demonstration, we will cover the Pharos Chrome Print extension 3-step implementation from within the Chrome browser. The 3 steps are invitation email, install Pharos Chrome Print extension, and configure Pharos Chrome Print extension. Pharos Entry Print using the Pharos Chrome Print extension in the Chrome browser starts with the Beacon administrator sending users an invitation email. To do this, the administrator will be logged into the Beacon administration console. They will go into the Secure menu and then into the Setup Guide and expand the option 3 for Finalize Sentry Print Setup. In here, then you will go into Invite Chromebook Users. And note that this will kind of give you a description in these areas in the Beacon console. There's also links in each area that if you need to learn more, for example here, I can click this link and it will pull up the page with help information around the context area that you're working with. So just note that there's always help available, usually at a click of a button within Beacon. And you'll see here that it comes up. And again, this about inviting Chromebook users, it will detail what this does and how you need to interact with it. Back in the console then, I'm going to go ahead and send an email to my user account. It's there and has sent the email template. I'm going to go into my email account, and here I just received the Beacon invitation email. I'm going to go ahead and open it. This email will dictate or kind of show you what you can do in the system by securing, printing your documents secure to any device in your company that's been enabled with Pharos Sentry Print, even across different locations. This can help ensure document confidentiality and lower company costs by secure releasing only the documents that you need and potentially not unwanted documents that were printed before you went to the printer to retrieve them. Then to get started, we need to go to the Chrome Web Store to download the Pharos Chrome Print extension. You can click the Web Store link to go to the Web Store, or alternatively, you can click right to the Pharos Chrome Print extension. So I'll click that link. We go into the Web Store, and it will now show us the Pharos Chrome Print extension. And I'm going to go ahead and click Add this to Chrome and add the extension. It's adding this, so it added the extension to Chrome. And then we also need sync turned on, so I'm going to go ahead and turn sync on my Google account and say yes that I'm in to Google Sync. And then I'm going to come up here. We now see the extension up here in the toolbar. You can click on the extension icon, and you can see it is pinned to the browser toolbar. If not, you want to remove it, you could simply just uncheck it or click the pin to keep it there focused for you to see. When it installs initially, you'll see that it has a red exclamation point. We still need to do configuration for it. When you click on the link, it's going to ask for a configuration URL. Back in the invite email that I received, there is now your configuration URL that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, come back into the Pharos Chrome Print extension. I'm going to go ahead and paste that link and click Submit. This will then configure the Pharos Chrome Print extension to your Beacon environment for use. And it's going to ask me to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with OpenID. In this case, it's going to be my Gmail account. And I'll enter my password. And once I successfully authenticate, that will complete my registration process. And now you see that you've succeeded in configuring the Pharos Chrome Print extension. From there, to print a document, I'm going to go to, I've got the Pharos Print brochure. I'm going to go up and click the printer icon in Chrome, and it will bring up the document, and I can go ahead and select the destination. So I click the down arrow here, and I can go to see more to see all of my areas of where I can print. And you'll note that you'll see secure printer here, Pharos Chrome Print. So I'll go ahead and select that printer. It will then bring up my options. I can print all pages. I can change the number of copies that I want. I can also switch it from black and white to color. So there I switched it to color, and there's additional settings here as you would normally use in Chrome. I'm then going to go ahead and click the print button. And this has now just submitted the document into Beacon Sentry Print for release at any Pharos Sentry Print enabled printer in your organization. To recap then and in summary, I've done three things. First was to install the Pharos Chrome Print extension from the Chrome Web Store. I then signed into Pharos Chrome Print extension using the organization credentials after putting in the URL for Sentry Print. And then I printed a document that can be released at any Pharos Sentry secure printer that also is not using Google Cloud Print. It is using our Pharos Chrome Print extension.